Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles, and today I'm going to show you how to draw the character Gretel in her superhero attire from the new Disney show Hamster and Gretel. So before we get started, please feel free to like, comment, subscribe. All of that is amazing. All right, so let's get started. I'm going to start with the eyes. I'm going to do a circle here. And inside that, another circle. And then a smaller one. And then another circle in behind that one. And that one I'm going to color in all dark. All right, so next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to add 2 little eyelashes. And now I'm going to give a bit of space and do the other eye. And it's going to be pretty much what we just did. So all the same inside circles. And color it in black. And add those 2 eyelashes. And now next we can do a little nose here and a cute little smile. And now let's work on some hair. So we're going to come on down here and go across this way. And now we're going to come down here by the eye and then do a little bit of a cheek and then come down. And bring the hair down a little bit more. And now we're going to go slanting this way and meet up with that little point here. Now let's continue on with the hair. So we're going to do a line this way and bring it up. And kind of give it a little bit of a bump, a little bit of a bounce to it. Right here we can do a headband and connect that little bit right here and give that headband a little bit of a bump as well and bring it down. And now this part we can bring it on over and connect it to right here. This part kind of reminds me of the top of like a bird beak. All right, and down here we've got a little bit of hair from the other side poking out. So we can just do like a little triangle. Next, let's do the collar of the shirt. So it's just like a little wave, really. Now let's do a hand or an arm. So we've got a little elbow here. And do a curve and come on down. And then slant downward. And now let's do a little bump right here. And a little finger there. And now let's bring it on up. Okay. Now we'll do a little line right here and right here. And coming down from here. And now we're going to kind of go out this way for the skirt. And like that. And come on across. And now let's do the mask. So this surrounds the eyes. Do a little swoop down there. And under the eye there. And above the nose, under the other eye. All right, so here we're going to do a line here on the shirt. It's going to be a great big G. And go that way and bring it on up and across and down and across again. And this way goes down and across and then round it out like that. And now let's do the other arm. So we got a little elbow there and a little bump, little finger, and bring it in. And let's do a line there and a line coming downward that way. Now we can do a curve here, curve line, and another curve line. And we can do an oval. Now let's do a bit of a cape and do a line coming down here and bring it on up a bit. And we can do a little bit of a wavy line here. And now the legs. So we don't have enough room for the legs to be on the page completely, so they'll kind of be a little bit cut off, but that's okay. All right, so a little line down there and another one. And we can do a curve here for the sock and a line and another one and another line, and we can do this curve here for the sock. All right, so we've got our drawing all sketched out, and now I'm going to get started with the coloring. All right, folks, we are finished our drawing of Gretel. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Goodbye!